Welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, for those who haven't subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. Let's go. Week 1 Day 3. Paradox. Meaning, seemingly contradictory situation or statement. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, Bailuan. Spanish, paradoja. Arabic. Portuguese, paradoxo. French, paradox. Russian, paradox. Japanese, jayakusetsu. German, paradox. Korean, yokseel. Realm. Meaning, kingdom or domain, an area of activity or thought. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, Lingyu. Spanish, Reino, Ambito. Arabic. Portuguese, Reino, Dominio. French, Royaume, Domain. Russian, Oblast. Japanese, Ryoiki. German, Bereich, Reich. Korean. Annals. Meaning, historical records or chronicles. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, Bianianchi. Spanish, Annals, Registros Históricos. Arabic. Portuguese, Anais, Registros Históricos. French, Annales, Chroniques. Russian, Annali. Japanese, Nendaiki. German, Annalen, Chroniken. Korean. Compound, v. Meaning, to combine or mix elements, to make worse. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, Huanha. Spanish, combiner, imperer. Arabic. Portuguese, combiner, pairar. French, combiner, agraver. Russian. Japanese, mazaru, akasasaru. German, vermischen, verschlimmern. Korean, hanhabata, aquasikida. Tinge. Meaning, slight trace or coloration. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, K, dansa. Spanish, tint, matiz. Arabic. Portuguese, tonalidade, matiz. French, nuance, teint. Russian. Japanese, shikicho. German, Hoch, Farbung. Korean, Yakgenui Sik, Junial. A lucky find on the subway? Sylvia regularly took a crowded subway train to work during rush hour, so she found it to be a paradox one hot, steamy Tuesday to easily find a seat in a car that was nearly empty. She wondered how, in the realm of possibilities, this could be. How often in the annals of subway history had there been such a fortunate occurrence? 2. Compound the puzzle. Looking out the window, she could see many commuters busily racing on the platform to fill other cars. It was not until she saw the sign on the door that she realized, with a tinge of resignation, why she had been so lucky this morning. We apologize, but the air conditioning is not working in this car. Sample sentences. Try your hand now at using your new words by writing them in their correct form. Change endings if necessary, in these sentences. 1. His gloom was now blank by the failing mark on his geometry test. 2. The blank of sports are filled with great athletes of color. 3. One of the great blank of American life is that though minority groups have suffered injustices, nowhere in the world have so many varied groups lived together so harmoniously. 4. A blank of garlic is all that's necessary in most recipes. 5. The cruel king would not allow the prince to enter his blank, restricting him to the forest, which abounded with wild animals. 1. His gloom was now compound by the failing mark on his geometry test. 2. The annals of sports are filled with great athletes of color. 3. One of the great paradoxes of American life is that though minority groups have suffered injustices, Nowhere in the world have so many varied groups lived together so harmoniously. 4. A tinge of garlic is all that's necessary in most recipes. 5. The cruel king would not allow the prince to enter his realm, restricting him to the forest, which abounded with wild animals. Today's idiom. A flash in the pan, promising at the start, but then disappointing. The rookie hit many home runs in spring training, but once the season began, he proved to be a flash in the pan. From Vocabulary Builder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.